Today, I'm going to show you how to copy a Figma file to another Figma account step by step, using the simplest method available. This is really useful if you want to move a design from one account to another, keep a personal backup, or duplicate a file into a different workspace without starting from scratch. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Figma file in your original account. Make sure you're signed into the account that currently owns or has access to the file you want to copy. Once the file is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is where you'll invite your second Figma account to access the file. In the sharing window, type in the email address connected to your second Figma account. After entering the email, change the permissions to Can Edit. This part matters because edit access usually gives the second account the ability to interact with the file properly and duplicate it into drafts. Once everything looks correct, send the invite. Now switch over to your other Figma account, log in with the second account and check for the notification or email invitation from Figma. Open the invite and accept it. Once accepted, the file should now be accessible from that second account. Next, open the file from the second account. At the top of the page, in the navigation bar near the file name, click the small drop-down arrow next to the file name. From the menu that appears, choose Duplicate to your drafts. This is the key step that copies the file into your second account's private drafts area. Once you click that option, Figma will create a duplicate of the file inside your drafts. You can now edit it independently from the original account, rename it, reorganize it, or use it as a new starting point for your own project. This is the easiest way to transfer a Figma file between accounts while keeping a copy you can work on separately. And that's it. You've successfully copied a Figma file to another Figma account. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Figma and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.